Hello guys, let's see about Flutter rows. Here we are having three children named child 1, child 2 and child 3. Rows will help us in making the child widgets in a horizontal manner. Here if you look at the main axis, the default portion will be main axis dot start. That means in this row all the child widgets will start from the start of the row. Now we can change the main axis dot alignment to different properties. Let's see main axis alignment dot center. All the child widgets are being moved to the center of the row. And now we are changing to main axis alignment dot end. The child will be moved to the end of. For space around the starting and ending, it will be 0.5 to 1. The spacing will be 0.5 in the starting and ending, and it will be 1 in between the other ranges. For space between, there will be no spacing at the starting and ending of the row. The space will be shared in between the widgets. For space evenly, the space will be shared equally at the start, end and the middle of the widgets. Now let us see the cross-axis alignment property of the row. By default, the cross-axis alignment property will be cross-axis alignment dot center. Let us try to change the cross-axis alignment property to cross-axis alignment dot start. Here you can see no changes because every child of the row was of different size, was of the same size. Let us change the size of each container. Now we can see every child in the row was starting from the start of the row. For better visibility, let us use the overlay option from the widget inspector. Now we can clearly see every child of the row was starting from the start of the row. Now try to use the center property. Now we can see every child of the row was moved to the center, and with the end property it was moved to the end of the row. But if we try to use cross-axis alignment dot baseline, we are facing error, and we have to indicate text baseline in this case. Let us add text baseline dot alphabetic. Now the error has been resolved in this case. Let us use the property of cross-axis alignment dot stretch. If we use cross-axis alignment dot stretch, it will stretch to the entire available space in the row like this, irrespective of the height mentioned.